The first words I would like to say to start this presentation is that this presentation we're just starting now, it is already the first step into our evening program. So this was a real seminar until now. Now it's already the evening program starting. And it is a trip into the future, as you have understood from your invitation, and as Jari explained also in the start. But it's a trip into the distant future. So we'll not be talking to you about what's coming tomorrow, next week, next year. It will be the distant future, and all the scenarios and all the scenarios you'll be seeing today and later this evening, they are located in that distant future. The assumptions for the distant future, as our distinguished speakers have said already before, they are about increased population, and mainly urban population. They are about food scarcity or food constraints, mainly dependent on land availability and land usage, and they are about environmental challenges. And, well, after hearing David about women's power also. And the idea is that future farming will be seeking for, we believe, improved efficiency, increased efficiency, automation of processes. It will be seeking for more control of all inputs and variables, and it will be seeking for sustainability also. So we believe in the future we will see three main farming models. The mega-scale farm, owned by global companies, managing millions of hectares, producing commodities in specific areas of the world: Russia, India, Kazakhstan, China, Africa for sure, and South America. These mega-scale farms will be owned by global companies, which will also have a big role on the global trade. So their key advantage will really be scale from one side and market power, both on the supply side, on the purchasing side. We will have then the medium-scale farms, more focused on self-sustainable communities. Really, the focus of these farms will be to supply these local communities with food, energy eventually, protect the environment around. So the logic will be the logics of survival, the survival of these local communities. And how big these local communities are, we can't say, but Jyväskylä could be a typical size. And we'll see the urban farms, or vertical farms, as we have already called before. Those will be located in the big cities, in the center of the big cities. Those will be producing food close to the final consumer. So proximity will be their main advantage. And that proximity will deliver reduced transportation costs and also reduced emissions. And therefore, we believe that the industry in the future might require specialized solutions, but still aiming at versatility. It might require certainly integrated farming solutions. So probably we will see the tractor sales paradigm changing from our traditional paradigm to a new full integrated farming solution. So Valtra might have to act as a solution provider. And certainly also require control on emissions. And Valtra will have to provide emissions-free solutions. So in this scenario, Valtra will have to adapt to these new circumstances. Valtra will have to adapt, change its tractor sales paradigm. We don't know, but we believe we might be selling tractors on demand. That means that we might be offering horsepower time contracts. We might not be just focused on single farms. We might be serving communities. And certainly these solutions have to be emissions-free or somehow emissions neutral because of environmental protection regulations. From the service side, the focus will be on information transfer, data management. It will be very much about software and electronics, real-time information, most probably wireless, and we'll be talking about remote repairs. So the role of the technician will also change significantly from the role we see today. Probably we'll be seeing technician as an electronics engineer, and this work will be all the time improving softwares, uploading, downloading, and really the repair of the mechanical components will not be done as today anymore. It will be just changed. Probably in some workshop that might be looking like this background here. So the future demands, the future farming will continue demanding from us and will ask from us specialized solutions, which in Valtra we like to call them customized solutions or tailor-made tractors, which is not a new concept for Valtra. It will demand extreme reliability, there will be no space to fail, and it will demand comfort and safety. And we believe that ergonomics will be a must in all areas of the world, and not only the developed Western countries. And the good part of this is that Valtra will find the answers for these challenges internally in its own core values: the individuality, the reliability, and functionality. The individuality, about understanding that every single customer has individual needs. The reliability, meaning acting as a reliable company, providing reliable products and reliable solutions. And the functionality is very much the base and the tradition of the Nordic engineering. We strongly believe that the future of our customers is bright. We strongly believe that the farmers in the future will be highly educated people. They will be highly respected in their local communities. They will be, as managers, very demanding, inquisitive, willing to control. And understanding their needs, understanding their processes will be key for the future definitions of the Valtra products.